Sparrow known as Baby M. If you're new to the channel, thank you so much, and if you're coming back to watch yet another video, thank you so much, baby. I really appreciate it. My nails are ghetto, okay, period. Please do not mind that. Anyway, today it's a Friday and I'm out with my boyfriend. It's actually our anniversary. I'm out with my boyfriend and I don't know what the day is gonna like, what the night's gonna look like. So far we at spa. Yeah, we'll then we're gonna buy booze. Then yeah, that's that. Okay, that's that. I just wanted to greet the vlog in because my last vlog I didn't greet y'all. Get Tamilo shoot that because it was a messy vlog, but now we are on the right track. We are trying this for the first time. Now, as long as the lady is bed, for really a high bed. Now, taste the garum. We mix it like something, eh? We got butter, we mix it like something.
How is it? Yeah, nah.
Taste buds that thing I didn't want to mix. I got a drink in there.
Oh, I got what what's up, Lou?
Hi guys, welcome to another day in the vlog. Okay, period. It's Friday today, and I'm just coming back from work. Okay, I'm just coming back from work, and yeah, it's still early, and no, it's not early because you're live. Anyways, I just wanted to say, like, hi guys, happy Women's Month. I kept period to all the women out there. Shout out to you guys. Yeah, 10 years. Eva. I love you guys. Anyways, I really wanted to do, because I'm gonna meet up with my boyfriend just now. I don't know what time, but I know he's on his way. So I really wanted to do my wig, okay, to dye it and everything. So y'all, this is she. I am gonna transform this wig, okay, period. I am gonna transform it real quick, real fast. So I just want to finish. It's like an old wig. Anyways, I'm just gonna revamp this wig. I want to wash it real quick. Should I wash it? I don't know. How is it? And I'm gonna wash it. Hi guys, so I'm with my boyfriend right now. But you can get it each and every time. I'm eating because I haven't eaten since Kuchisa. Munato Zomfa. Munato Zomfa. You know, what I got the drinks. So I got the drinks, you know. Then we're gonna chop at my crib. Then, yeah. Hi guys, welcome to another day. This bonnet is looking all shambles. So hi guys, today it's another day. It's a Saturday, and I'm about to dye my wig.
Hi guys, don't forget to subscribe. You know me, you know you. Don't get back to black. Okay. YouTube channel. And we're link MTN today.
Like I said, I'm about to dye my wig. I've had this wig for a very long time, so I cut it into a bob, but I'm still gonna cut it again. Let me show you guys. This is how the wait, come on. Hey. This is how it looks so far, but I'm gonna, make it look decent. Anyways, yeah, like I was saying, I need to do everything right now before let's because it's cut some bit and I'm not about to use a ring light. But if I don't do it today, I'm gonna do it tomorrow. But yeah, if I don't do it today, I'm gonna do it tomorrow. What's a little bit? Why would you want a little bit?
But if you ask them know me.
But that's a man.
Just know this and know me. I never lonely.
Mama, you hold that.
Someone feel me slowly.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side.
I'm gonna continue doing this until I'm done. Then I'll show you the final product. Okay. Period. And y'all will talk soon. It's a Thursday. It's a Wednesday today. I'm back from work. And I'm not feeling well. Okay. Hence, like the low energy vibes. I'm not feeling well. I think I'm catching on flu. Which is totally bad for me because my baby isn't supposed to get flu. Okay, that's a lie. So but anyways, like I was saying, hi guys, I just want to update y'all that get a hi man, because I never actually chit chat with you guys. I'm always vlogging, and this previous vlog I did well in 60 something, 60 or 60 something, I'm not sure, but I think it did well, kind of, even though it was a messy vlog. I wasn't properly vlogging, and yeah, so yeah, I'm back on track. I am back on track, and yeah, I really wanted to go do my nails this weekend, go buy things, go to Lexi, because I really want to buy shampoo, wash all my wigs, because bruh, they're not giving. Wash all my wigs and and that's it. Yeah, I'm not feeling well. Let me show you what I bought that I'm gonna drink. I am gonna drink right now, right before I get into bed. I bought mint lemon, of course. And I bought, because I don't have medication for today, but I think I'm gonna get one this weekend. I'm not sure, but yeah. Anyways, I hope y'all good. Happy Women's Month. Okay, period. Happy Women's Month. I love y'all. And yeah. So welcome to another day in the vlog. I just wanted to come in and show you all my new baby. We got a new baby, okay? We got a new baby, okay? Quality, even though my quality is great, but this is a me to me gift, okay? It's a me to me gift because this is something big, something I've always wanted, and yeah, I'm very excited that she is here. Okay, period. Please do not mind, my face is very oily because I just came back from work. And yeah, I just wanted to say hi guys, we got a new baby. I got a new phone, guys. Like, I got a new phone for myself, okay? And there's a period, okay? I haven't done anything, so I'm gonna unbox it with you guys. And period. Hi guys, so I'm currently at Checkers at the mall. I'm looking for a few things, like for my scarfine, my lunchbox. Actually, I look like a mess because I am a mess right now. Yeah. Hi guys, today it's a Friday and I am gonna go and do my nails right now. I am just from work, so right now I'm with my boyfriend. He is accompanying me to the lady's place in town, so yeah, I don't know what's gonna happen today, but I will snip anyways. Yeah, please do not forget to like, share and comment. Hi guys, welcome to another day in the vlog. Nails, okay, I managed to do my nails. These are the nails. I went for something very bold, okay? But anyways, I really wanted to show you my nails. Period. And yeah, that's it. Yeah, guys, I'm so tired. Sana, I am so tired. I really want to rest. But I'm gonna be vlogging throughout. But one thing I'm for sure is that I wanna rest. I'm gonna get into bed, watch some few videos, then
Depend on me and to the light, cause you can never kill my vibe. But here with no sacrifices, everything was taken, you had to make it. Vibe killer, me and no go take shit. Vibe killer. If you get sour, come on, go and sit down. I go just para, come on, my jigger. I go just stay, follow my lead. I'm feeling vibes all night. I'm fucking dynamite. After your candle light, you know I'm just that type. No, nothing kill my vibe. Nothing kill my vibe. You nothing kill, you nothing kill, you nothing kill my vibe. You see my bitch, say she had bad. Anytime I knock without. No rubber band, no rubber band. Every time I put down, they show me that.
hi guys, welcome to the last day of the vlog. The last day of the vlog. Thank you for watching. I need to close down the fucking door. The end of the vlog. I hope you liked it. I hope if you have watched it till this far, thank you so much, and I really appreciate it. And if you haven't, same, I still appreciate the effort that you took and the energy that you took, baby. Yeah, ish, guys, kids, ne? Having kids. So yeah, if you have any background noise, give on. Anyways, I just wanted to close up the vlog, and yeah, because I remembered that when I just saw that I didn't do an outro. I don't have an outro, so I was like, I have to do it because I'm editing. I'm gonna post it tomorrow around 1 p.m. and already I had started another vlog. Anyways, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and y'all will meet again.